Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginner. Today we are going to learn how to send Payoneer referral link. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Payoneer. So to open it, you can just go to your web browser or any web browser of your choice, and in the search bar, type the Payoneer and click enter in the keyboard. After that, the search result will be shown, and in the first web search result, there will be Payoneer official website. So you just have to click on the official website, and a sign in or login page will be shown. You just have to log in. After when you have logged in successfully, this is the page that is shown to you. So when you are in this page, then you just need to go to the top right corner, that is right here, and click here. After that, there will be a setting option right there. Just click on the setting option and this interface will be shown to you. And below the profile settings, on the second last option, that is user management, you just have to click on the user management and this page will be open. So there is a invite user button. You just have to click on this invite user button, and when you have clicked on this invite user button, this page will be shown to you. After that, you just need to enter the email to whom you want to send the referral link, and when you have written the email, then you just have to click on this invite user and the referral link will be sent to them so that they can join the Payoneer. So this is how you can easily send the referral link in the Payoneer. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.